So I'm going to put this chicken in the air fryer and let it cook. And then I'll be back with the rest of the meal. So I'm going to make fried kale as one of my sides. So you're going to add onion. A little bacon. A little bell pepper. Stir it around. And let it kind of get tender. Next you add a few tomatoes. And I like to do pico. Then I'll add garlic. A little chicken broth. Or wine, but we're trying to lose weight, so I didn't do the wine. Now you add your beans, which is and bring it to a boil. Now that it has boiled, so we're going to add our seasoning to it. I use a little Lawry seasoning. A little Creole seasoning. Just a little. And a little black pepper. Adding kale and leftover cabbage. So good for anything. Then I let this cook down for a little bit. And it's just about done. So if you ever want to fix this, this is how you do it. And add a little cornbread or a Texas toast to it. It's really good, but it tastes better with cornbread. Okay, thanks. Have a good day.